guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video all about plum paper planners. It's always so hard for me to say. I actually already have 2 videos about how I use my plum paper planner to plan throughout the year, and I will leave those linked down below for you, so you can definitely go and check those out. My dog is like roaming around this room right now, so if you hear her or see her right here, just ignore it. All right, let's dive in to paper planners in general. So before this year, I have used Erin Condren and Emily Lay Simplified, but did I actually use them? No, I didn't. I bought them because I love them. They were cute and fun, and I still love their like paper products in general. However, they just didn't work for me, and I didn't like go to reach and grab my planner every week to get organized and get down to business. So at the end of 2020, I really wanted to go into 2021 with a planner that I was going to use, and that is when I found Plum Paper Planner, and it really did work for me this year. Spoiler alert, I loved it. There were definitely months when I didn't use it as much as I used it for other months. However, I was pretty consistent using it all year long, and so I did buy another one for 2022. The thing about Plum Paper Planners is that it's completely customizable. You can have 2 different sizes if you want. You can customize your entire layout. It is incredible, all of the things that you can add to it, and I am very excited because this past year was my first time ever being able to customize it, so I wasn't too sure what I needed or what I didn't need. However, this next year, I'm pretty sure I have everything in order of what I want, how many extra papers that I need in my planner. Kind of went cray for 2021, but 2022's Plum Paper Planner is looking up, okay? So just for a quick like overview, this is my 2021 Plum Paper Planner. I did y'all, when I say I added a lot of extra papers in here, this girl is a thick girl, and it did not need to be that thick, as I learned as I went on, but I didn't know, rookie mistake, and I did get the large size, as you can tell. However, they do have a smaller size. This is the smaller size. So this is the large size, this is the smaller size. This is just like a fun notebook that I use. And I did actually get the smaller size for my planner this year. I have my planner in this little box. I have not opened it yet. Like, we're gonna do this all together. You can customize the cover. They have different like options that you can choose from. And when I show you the cover that I chose for 2022, y'all are just gonna know, like, of course she chose that one. So let me pull it out. Here it is. There is the beauty. I did get the meal planning sticker sets this year. They do have a couple different sticker sheets that you can buy, and I just wanted to see what these looked like. Something that I did do a very good job at this past year, probably for the past like 2 years since the pandemic, is meal planning and just like meal prepping for us for the month. And I wanted to see what these stickers looked like. They're pretty cute. I don't think I would reorder these ones. I did sign up for the monthly sticker set, so it's like $7, I think, if that, and they send you cute little stickers each month for that like upcoming month. So for example, this one was for December. Let me take it out of this so you can see it, and it's just Christmas themed stickers, and then they have like ones that you can add to your layouts. They're super fun. What's pretty interesting is they added this cover material sample, and it says that it's water resistant, tear proof, rigid, and sturdy. And it's like, it's a sample, try me. If you like try and tear it, like you can't. This is what the cover is made out of. Okay, let's just jump in to the big dog. So it comes all wrapped nice and neat. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. Okay, so it says, all I see is magic. And then I put my name and then the year up on top. Look how freaking adorable that is. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Let me see if I can, yeah. So I'm gonna remove like the cover so then it doesn't have that glare. There we go. So cute. Ugh. Once I saw this and it being purple, my favorite color, I knew I needed to get it. So just for like size comparison, this is my 2021 and this is my 2022. So I think I'm gonna like the smaller one better, just for like portable reasons. That was my big one, was really hard. Like, I normally just kept it on my desk in my office, and if I wanted to take it somewhere, it wasn't like easy to grab. So this one will be a lot easier to be able to like take with me if I need to work on like our meal planning or anything like that. So let's go ahead and open it up. Right at the beginning, you are going to have like a year overview. So it's just gonna show you, the calendar year for 2022. And then it has like special dates that you can add. And then it jumps into the months. So each month has their own tab. And I don't know if I've said this. This is a weekly planner. So it always has like the monthly overview, but then it's always going to have like a full week that you can work off of and plan off of. So this is like the dashboard for January, and I did not use this last year. I really want to find like an efficient way to use it for this year, but this is the dashboard that you're going to see for every month. And then it's just gonna give you like a plain line sheet at the beginning of every month as well. And we have our monthly view. Normally on the monthly view, and I go over this a little bit in my like plan with me videos, I will like write down sporting events we have to go to, birthdays, just special dates of things on that monthly overview. So then when I plan for my weeks, I will be able to just pull those from there. Okay, so I love it. Okay, so this is like where it gets customizable. So you have a weekly goal up top, and I chose to make that a weekly goal. Ignore my nails, they're disgusting. Then we have top tasks, my YouTube and blog tasks for the day, and then just an empty space, and then dinner. So I ended up always throwing our meal down there for the day, and so I did do like that extra step in customizing. I did do that extra step of customizing this little box to say dinner, just because I always wrote our meals down there. Almost forgot, we also have this little area up top here, and that's going to be gratitude and then habit tracker. So I write like Peloton, cleaning, Instagram, content, like videos that I need to create, so then I can cross off that I've done each of those things every single day. It's the same layout that's going to be for every single month. I am actually like very happy about this. Last year's, let me pull it up for you. I haven't done any prepping for December, so I can pull up a December one. I guess that's a lie, I did. Okay, so my December one was just important things this week, priorities, blog content, and then blank. So just throughout this year, I knew more of like how I was gonna use my planner. So then when I did go ahead and create, sorry, there's extra pages. So when I did go ahead and create the layout for the month, like I was more confident in knowing what each section needed to be called. So at the end of every month, I did add a couple of extra papers. So you can do, I did a dot page, so like just has tons of little dots on it. I know you probably couldn't see that. And then we have a budget. So something that I really want us to focus on next year as a family is our, like, bettering our budget. And I have that so I can keep track of that per month. And then I also have like a fitness tracker. And then I have one for like this space, blogging and YouTube. It allows you to like write everything down of what you want to create. And then I have like a reflection section and like prayer. So you can do like how, well, the top 3 things you did, what did you start, what did you finish, just like a couple different things like that. And then my final one is cleaning. So I can go through and write down different things I want to clean in each section for the month and go ahead and cross those off. Anytime, I don't know about you guys, let me know in the comments down below if you're like this too. Anytime I can like cross something off, the more likely it's going to get completed. So like my workouts, when I'm consistently using my planner and can cross off that like I worked out today, then that just like makes me work out because I wouldn't be able to like check that box. Are you like that? Let me know. So yeah, so those are the only extra ones that I've added this year. I did not, so last year I did add a meal planning to the back of my planner. That's where all my meal planning was. But I accidentally, in my little notebook, have a meal planning too. And so I'm gonna use that one for this year, but I would highly recommend getting the meal plan addition to your regular planner because it's just gonna be really nice. Do I semi-regret not putting it in here? Yes, but I had it in another notebook and so I just needed to use it in the notebook for this next year. All right, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for unboxing my new 2022 Plum Paper Planner with me. I am so excited. Like, I'm obsessed with this cover, y'all. It is, just look at her. She's so pretty. There's nothing like a new year, a fresh start, new goals, new adventures, new magic. I am so excited just to dive into this. I honestly don't know how much I'm going to be using my planner in the month of December. I had the last 2 weeks of the year off for work and we're gonna be very busy the next couple of weeks, and so you think being busy would make you want to use your planner to stay organized. But when I'm busy, then like I don't think about it. I know, I'm so weird, so strange, but y'all get me, so I appreciate that. Anywho's, so yes, again, thank you for letting me unbox this with you. I am so excited. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys use Plum Paper planners. Which planner do you like to use? Do you use a different type of planner? There are some very cute ones out there now. In Disney, I can't think of the name of the planner that they did a collaboration with Disney. My best friend uses their planners. She's a kindergarten teacher and she uses their planners, and I cannot think of the planner name. But it has like a weird spiral and you can customize it. They have ones with Disney and they're very, very cute. So if you want to check those out, go ahead and do that. If I think of the name, I'll leave it down in the description. But Again, let me know in the comments down below, do you use Plum Paper Planners? Which planner do you like to use? I'll leave an affiliate link down below too for my paper planner, my Plum Paper Planner. I think it gives you like $20 or $30 off your first purchase. So yeah, if you're interested, jump on the bandwagon. You won't regret it, I promise. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching today's Vlogmas video, and I will see you real soon. Bye.